Okay, so what we're going to be doing here is replacing the pattern control assembly on a T-model spray gun. So first thing you're going to do is actually remove the set screw. Once you remove the set screw, that's going to allow the actual pattern control knob to be removed, and that's actually what does the adjusting. Once you've exposed that, you're going to see the locking nut. So I'd like to take an adjustable wrench, or you can use the wrench that comes with your spray gun, and you'll just want to sort of crack the seal on that and then just simply finger loosen that all the way out. So once you get that all out of the spray gun, sometimes it'll come out in the 3 components, otherwise it'll come out all in one assembly, and what you'll have is the locking nut, a small white seal, and then the actual deflector that deflects the air inside the fluid passages. So it's a brass deflector there. What you'll want to do is inspect the cavity that it came out of. Just make sure that it's free of debris and any material. And then also make sure that the actual deflector is free of material. And then in terms of reinstallation, it's nice and easy. You simply drop that deflector right back in there. And then from there, just ensure that the seal is in place, and then you'll put on the pattern control locking nut there. Then use the wrench, whether it's adjustable or the wrench that came with the spray gun, to tighten that all up into place. Reinstall the pattern control, and then secure it into place with the locking screw. If after installation you notice that it's a little bit stiff, it could be that you've actually over tightened the locking screw, so simply just a quarter turn, or even I would say less than that, and that'll free it up for you.